Okay, well, everyone, here we go. This is the build update. So it's all in the house. It used to be over the other corner of the house over there, but we've changed a few things. Got a new TV. That's a 50-inch 4K TV. So it sits in front of the bay window, and then I've set up the rig over this side here. Nifty little spot for the TV, for the computer and monitor. A little bit of a control station there with the kid photos and little computer desk and stuff like that. So the rig is fairly well the same as last time. It's just a new position. I'm actually thinking of not sure, maybe selling some of this equipment. I don't know yet. And I still haven't finished that damn shifter. So I've got the handle for it, and I've got the bolts, and I've got everything else, but I haven't done it yet. But it works really well. So effectively, from a VR point of view, you can jump in. I can view and operate the computer. The computer sits there. I've got my pedals, my shoes, and I've got another monitor there just for normal computing, so I can just sit there and kind of stuff around on the computer and update programs and stuff like that. And then most of the time I just sit on the fucking couch and sort of try and relax a bit. Look out the front yard, watch the birds, and from a VR point of view, I've still got an entire space that I can use, which is around a 3 by 4 metre VR space, with the that one's moved, it's dropped off. That's happened today because of the heat, but anyway, so I've got that sensor up there, another sensor up there, and that's actually the first time that's ever happened, so I have to have a look at that. So there you go. That's a bit of an update on the rig, and next update I'll do will be, not sure, it might be around a new wheel and wheelbase. I'm thinking about getting a Fanatec Elite or Lease, whatever the hell it's called, and I'm going to sell that unit because I don't see myself being able to spend the money on a OSW at the moment. For something good's around $2,000. So, and then I'll look at selling the pedals as well, maybe getting something else for that. So, thanks for watching.